Why? Okay, there we go. Good afternoon. Had a little bit of technical difficulties. We're going to do some more pixel art. We're going to get some... I think I'm going to outline the bubbles in black. So we got to kind of configure the animations and do all that sort of fun jazz. I found a font that I would like to use. So we'll use that font and get that sorted. And, I don't know, we'll see how far we get in the game today. I did like 8.5 hours of game dev yesterday, and I'd kind of like to play some video games today, so we're probably going to end up doing that. And that would be pretty cool. So, yeah, anywho, I'm going to just outline everything here in black. Oh, had a good workout this morning. Ate a lot of breakfast. I'm waiting on a special delivery from Amazon for myself. This should help. I should probably say why I'm outlining them. I think it's just going to help it pop out from the background a little bit better. We got like a slightly lighter blue background, so let's just make it pop. Oh, no. Yeah, that looks so much better. That looks way better. I'm mainly doing this because I have... Where is it? There it is. I made this yesterday for the itch store, and it just... I think the bubbles look a lot better with a black, you know? I think so. So we're just going to make that happen. And the font that you just saw is the font that I'm choosing also. Bubbly and easy to read. Gotta remember, toddlers play this game. Bitch. Do, 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 do. Why did I choose to make so many frames in this animation? Mm-hmm. So it was a little bit smoother. Ugh. Yeah, after yesterday, I definitely slept really good. I thought I was going to stay up and work on some CS50 stuff, and it was not happening. I got the itch store set up and ready to go, and pretty well laid my head down and was out like a light. Later. Almost done. That's one of them. Classic song. Classic. Boom. So that's that one. We'll save that. And let's do the pop animation next. Yep. That's the pop animation. Mm-hmm. Boom, boom. Oh. I definitely want to change up this animation a smidgen. The other one, I made it so like the center of it in here kind of disappears during this frame. Like these two frames, it kind of starts disappearing from the center. So it's kind of like the bubble went pop and there, you know, it actually. Not quite sure I'm going to do that, but now that I'm adding in the black, going to be a little bit different. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? That was very strange. Very strange indeed. Music's just playing as it wants to, I guess. Spotify has a mind of its own. Like, we're gonna recommend you music even though you don't have that set right now. Amazing. But whenever I set it up, it seems to not work. Broken? I think yes. We're gonna fix that. Oops. I think that's where I'm getting messed up right there. Whatever. Yep. That. Yep. Boom. Yeah, I think that looks okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm. That would be the one. Mm-hmm. And you know what? I think that looks good. Mm-hmm. Go ahead and save that. We'll open number bubble, and we'll do the same thing. Shit. Yeah, so I'm waiting on that Amazon package. It should be here in like an hour or two. I got myself some like some omega-3, what else? Magnesium is it glycate or citrate? I can't remember which one. Whichever one isn't terrible for your stomach. And I picked myself up some creatine. And next off is going to be some protein powder. And we'll go from there. I've managed to figure out at least a loose workout schedule. And I think I'm going to actually take this decently serious. You know? It is my health after all. But I'm kind of doing more or less taking it serious now. I mean, there's multifaceted reasons. Like, I don't know, I have a kid and like to see her grow up and not like, die from some fucked shit or just be a weakling the whole damn time. One of my very close friends growing up has kind of forced my hand at it, and rightfully so. What I've gotten has been deserved because I used to make fun of him for being fat. And not in like a really, really, really mean way, but there was years of it. Because he was rather short. He was a chubby little kid. He was the youngest one out of our group. So what do you expect? Well, now, little Jakey's like, what's up? And he's fucking like stands here on me now. And not here. He's like up here now. He's damn near looking me right in the eyes. And he has been making fun of me for being too skinny, which I've always been skinny my whole life. I've never been able to put on the weight. Although I've never had anybody who's known what they're doing with it truly kind of like teach me or anything. But I don't really think of myself too much of like a gym bro. I don't think I got that sort of like mentality. I don't know. We'll see, because apparently it's pretty addicting. What the fuck am I hearing in the background right now? Anyways, apparently it's pretty addicting, but I mainly just want to get in shape, feel good, gain a few pounds, bulk up a little bit. Eventually, hopefully I can get my teeth fixed here soon, and I won't be so damn scared to go to like a boxing gym or something, because I'd really like to start boxing again. I used to box in high school, and that led to doing some no-gi jiu-jitsu classes. Really liked that. We found some junk files. No way. But also, what the fuck? I feel like that should be the same there. There. That's better. But so yeah, anyways, Jacob has now pushed me to the edge, and I've actually started thinking about it and taking it serious. I actually worked out this morning. Like, I mean, I used to do a fairly physical job up until recently. I've, skateboarded since I was 5 years old, so it's not like I've never been athletic, but man, there was some moments this morning where I was like, damn, I forgot what this burn felt like, and it's happening in parts that I don't remember it happening in. Mm-hmm. Hell yeah, look at that. Gets skinny and goes back to normal. That should be that too. Oh, no, because I see it goes normal, a little bit stretched, a little bit more stretched, skinny, a little bit stretched, a little less stretch, normal, squish, squish. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Mm-hmm. Excuse you. Boom. Yeah, dude, that looks way better. Way better. Save. Open. Number bubble popped. Yeah, see? Kind of like did that. But it also has more of like a color transition because I wanted it to pop out more. This is the number bubble. It's like, it's going to have a number here. And then go pop. And the number stays in the center and then disappears. Right? Also, I haven't heard this song in forever. Fuck yeah, zombies for having banging tracks. Do, 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 do. Mm-hmm. Hell, oh, that was almost perfect. Hell yeah. Fucking did it again, man. Hell yeah, dude. That looks sick. Yep. Save that. What else? What else did we say we wanted to change here? Play button. Mm. Mm. Let's center this. Show me the pixel grid. Thank you. Hmm. 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 I see. This thing needs to be fucking moved down one. And also moved over one. Something like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's not the right color. Hmm. That's got to get changed. Right? Yes. That's better. Look at that. Look at that. And save. What else? So that was normal. Play button hover. And I have to do the same thing too. Oof. Oof. Boom. And boom. Boom, 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 boom. Gonna get rid of that. Good old chance. Fuck you. Oops. That looks about right. Nyeh. Where did that come from? What the fuck? Boom. Yep, that looks right. Gotta do the same to the stop buttons. That already looks way better. Save that. Open. Eh. It looked fine to me. Ah, that's the wrong color. Save that, and that. Fairly certain. All of these are done. Okay. Put that in there. Put that in there. Boom. Boom. Sounds, music, tile map, UI stuff. Ooh. Play button. Play button. Hover. Play button pressed. Stop button. Stop button hover. And stop button pressed. Fuck off. Boom. Okay, so now everything's actually in where it's supposed to be. Okay. Animation. How's that look? Much better. Much better. What about the other one? Mm-hmm. I like that. Mm-hmm. That looks good. So how fuck did I make everything by doing this? Oh, I see. Oh, do you see it? I see it. Oh, all right. That's okay. That's a quick fix. Let's see here. Let's see. How is it actually looking? Oh, that's so much better. Fuck yeah. One. That looks fucking good. I like that. I like that a lot. Two. I should probably make the spawners time like less for the blue ones. I feel like it needs to fill out more. Just a smidge. Just a tiny bit. Four. Four. Five. And a banger track looping over this shit though. Six. And so Addy came over last night and I got her to try this a little bit. She's still got tiny little hands, right? So I got that little mini Logitech mouse for her. But, you know, I need to figure out how to change the cursor in the game so that it's something bigger. Not like it's always a mouse game. You can have it on mobile and everything. But I'm just like, eesh, I feel like she'd have an easier time. Excuse me. I feel like she'd have an easier time moving it and actually playing the game if she could see clearly she's moving something with her hand, you know? But other than that, I mean, it is going to be set up so you can play it on a tablet or whatever, or phone. Okay. Excuse you? Menu, reset. Bubble spawner, exit menu. Of course. Of course. Play button. So then why? 10. So I'm going to change the font of everything. And I kind of want to make it so, like, when you start, kind of just opens to here, right? Kind of want to make it so you press play. Maybe we make the whole main menu UI just kind of go swoop up or over. Kind of get it out of the way. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how well that actually works or if it would work. But the only other thing I can think of or that I saw that would work is like using a tween, kind of create like a fade in and out. But it's kind of hard because that's the game behind the main menu. Main menu just hides, right? Does it need anything more than that? Why is this fucked? Exit menu, play button, stretch mode, keep on button release, left. Okay, so why are you showing that you're like pressed? So, you know? Like even hover's supposed to go lighter. So like what the fuck? It should look like this. And it don't. Hmm. One. Hmm. That's just really like odd. Press, hover. Yeah, I don't know why it's action button release. Hmm. Hmm. Why? Why no do? Why do you do this? Why did you do this? Play button up, play pressed equals true, pause pressed equals false. Hmm. On button up. So what? Why? Why are you having such problems, my guy? Hmm. It's just like such a weird bug. I don't understand. I mean, that one works. There's no different. It's not different at all. Not in the slightest. This one doesn't work either. What the fuck? Anyways, let's work on this guy right here. I'm gonna give it just a little bounce, give it a little kick, get a little faster, you know? This thing, we're gonna make it go 90. Then we want the bubble spawner. Bubble spawner. Timer. Every second, hey? Let's do it. Let's see what that does. Those things are gonna be a little bit faster. One. I gotta fix where they spawn in too, because they're kind of, I think they're spawning too much on the edge. You know what I'm saying? Just a smidge too much. Three. Four. That's actually a way better pace. You gotta think like some kid on their tablet's just gonna be like, right? Feel bad for the kid who's forced to use the mouse, but they're gonna have really good mouse hand-eye coordination. 5. Be doing fucking 360 no scopes by the time they're 5. Six. Seven. Hmm. 8. 9. Why does it say that? Why is it doing that, man? Like, do I have to fucking... Hmm. Okay, but why actually, though, are you doing that? That doesn't make sense. Button release, mouse left. Clip content. Is there a reason for that? Probably not. Man. What? Texture press. Action mode. Beginning. I don't get. Like, why? Nothing else has changed. What the fuck is going on? That's a sad face. Why is that broken? What about you? Son of a bitch. Reset menu. Good job. I need a drink. Where's my Scamazon package? Oh no. I'm losing. A game that you just can't lose.
One.
3 clicks still does it. Where? Why? Like, what the fuck? I understand why it's not doing it. Where is it? Come here, fucker. So you're gonna work like that? Wait a minute. End button. Let's try that again. What the fuck? Did I not do that? Nah, I didn't. I didn't even fucking change that one. God damn it. Ugh. Fuck. Back over this way. Asplit. Love that. Didn't even. I didn't even. Let's be quick. Jeepers. Okay. Save that. Now we can say goodbye. There we go. Now things should be right now. So why is it not doing that when you know it should be doing that, and it's not, because when I come over here and I do it like this, it just ain't. There's no hover. What's all going on here? Exit menu. Yeah, my panel container. What's that? What is that? Counter label. Is that fucking with me? There's no way that's fucking with me. Tile map layer. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. Why? Why? I don't get it. So this one works just fine. So why? Hmm. Why are you choosing not to work, man? Like, really? I'm like so confused by that though. It should just be working, man. There's no hover effect and I don't understand why. One. Two. Yep. Okay, so I think that's actually in the code that's set up. So let's go over here. Feedback. Bubble spawner. What did we say we wanted that as? Go with 16. At 44. And what else? What else? What else? We don't want it to be spawning down here. We want it to kind of spawn right here, like just outside. And that's 520. Let's go 530. And we'll do the same thing to the number bubble spawner. Say 16 and 44. Get 30. Save that. Go over here. We'll test it. One. That's not bad. That's not bad. The other ones were like half off the goddamn screen. We can't have that. A little bit over. That's not bad. Like that's fine. That's perfectly fine for me. Hell yeah. Super duper satisfying. Okay. So let's go. Where is it? Main menu. Label. This is where we're going to have fun. Where is the font? Font. Label settings. Font. New font file. we want, I got something for this. I got something for it. Where the fuck did it go? Cherry Bomb 1. Yeah. No, we're not going there. We're gonna go in D, and we're gonna go in BubblePOP. Brand assets. Select it. Yeah. Yeah. Cherry Bomb 1 regular. Let's go. Load a font file. Assets. Sounds, UI stuff. Do I really have to go and add it into here? All right, where's UI stuff? We will create a new folder, call it fonts, and we will add our font file. Fuck you, bitch. Overwrite. Thank you. Cherry Bomb 1. Look at how much better that fucking looks. Look at that. Fuck. Oh man. I need like a stress ball or like a pad on my wall that I can just like punch every time I get all excited and shit. Like, damn, that looks so good. So good. Font. Quick load. Cherry Bomb. That looks so good. Ah. Oh, you ever had that satisfaction where something that you're building, like, I don't know how many people actually like build things that watch YouTube anymore, but like I've built motors for my car, I've built a house, I've built lots of shit. This shit gives me that satisfaction in my brain or lack thereof. Like, hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Uh-huh. Why are you so freaking dumb? Why is that label just fuckered? Oh. That's why. Okay. And then label 2, we're going to want it to be much, much bigger. Something like that. Our separation should be like that. Label 2. Is there any way that we can like bend it? Because in the graphic, I've bent it. So I don't know. Horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, auto wrap. Skip last in, do not skip. Displayed text. New. Layout. Transform. Size. Pivot. No. Container sizing. Fill. Sure. Theme overrides. Font size is styles. Texture material. Nope. You know what? We're just going to leave it as is. It doesn't need to get changed. Not everything needs to get changed, man. What's wrong with you? Oh. Dude. That just makes me feel so stoked. So stoked. Not only do I feel like it looks good myself, but my kid loves it. Like, it makes me feel really good. That's Let's go here and do the same thing. Bam. Save that. And we'll go like this. All right. I still got to record my voice doing one more thing. You did it. Good job. Or you counted to 10. Good job. Something. Got to give the kids credit where credit's due. You did it. Oop. Boop. Look. Oh my God. Just look at it. Just fucking look at it. It's amazing. You did it. One's going to be a 35. Nope. There's this one. You did it. Good job. That's the one that we want to be like massive. Really put it to them. You did a good job. Look at that. Look at that. How awesome that feels. That feels great. I really like having the shadow on it too. I should probably put a shadow on the rest of that stuff. I don't know. What do you think? Is there anybody in the chat who wants to put their opinion out there? Why? What the fuck? Okay. I should probably change how opaque that is. 1. 2. 3. 4. Here I am again, right focused on the game. Like I'm just sitting here playing a game. I'm really getting fucking pissed off about this. That's I don't understand why you do. Why you do this to me? Huh? Okay, so it doesn't have anything to do with that. I just think it's being stupid. Like, it's just not seeing it. Because it's clearly there. They're clearly set up right there. Like, oh man. I don't know. What the fuck? Keep pressed. No. Like, what the fuck? Why are you doing this to me? You know how we get rid of this, right? We force it. We force it to forget about being pressed altogether. Look at that. That works. Nothing. Why? What the hell is going on? What the hell is going on? Get it. Let's try this again. We'll just play button, normal. Play button, hover. Play button, pressed. Again, button released. Save. What the fuck? Just fucking ignore me. Reload. Okay. Has it decided to figure its shit out? We shall see. Bro, what What the fuck is going on here? On button up. On button up. Dude, I don't even know. Yeah, I don't even know why that's doing that. Hmm. I don't get it. I don't get it. Menu, exit menu GD. Button up, play pressed equals true. Pause pressed equals false. Hmm. It knows that it's supposed to be doing on release, so that's cool. But it's not. It's literally doing on button down. And I don't understand why. Like, I can't even hold my mouse over it. What the fuck? Seriously, what is going on here? Exit menu. Anchors preset. What the fuck? Where the kill zone at? Did I press a button that fucked my shit up? Nope. No, I didn't. Pause button. Counter label. Exit menu. Like, what the fuck? I just don't. I'm having a problem with this because it was working. It should work. It's set up the exact same way as everything else. So I don't quite understand why. Play button. Keep. Yep. Yep. Button release. Mouse left. Nothing else has been changed. Nada. Nothing. And it works. So I'm just kind of like, what the fuck?
1.
Think that's fucking funny, huh? Nothing different here. On button press. We're going to save that. Now on button release. Let's save that. Thank you. On button press. On button release. Please, just think through it. Just think. 1, 2, 3. I mean, the button works, so I shouldn't really even be getting that mad, but like, it's the principle, man. It's the exact same as every other menu in the game. There's only 2 other menus. They all work the exact same way, and this one is just not listening.
Two. Three.
Wait a minute.
4.
You think there's maybe a problem with the structure of it all? What? No. That couldn't be it. Couldn't be it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah. Wonder if that just having that flipped changes things. Nope. Nope. Not some weird bullshit. It just is deciding not to work right now, which is totally valid. I'll allow it. Hmm. Hmm. How can I make this kind of feel? Hmm. 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 Oh, it moved over. Let's see. Why are you so fucking dumb? Why do you play with my feelings? Stupid computer shit. I just don't understand why. I don't get it. I just don't get it. Fuck. Be right back. What does it need? A GPU particle emitter. Say that 10 times fast. GPU particles 2D. The material to process the particles is not assigned, so no behavior is imprinted. What does that mean? Add child node. What is... Emitting a texture. You know what? I'm going to make this like a later thing. We'll do this some other time with that. Because honestly, I don't think we really need it. I can record my voice and just be like, good job. You counted to 10. Play again? That's pretty smart, actually. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get our old friend Audacity out. What the f... Hmm. All right. So what are we gonna say? What are we gonna? What's the play on that? Okay. All right. Holy, I almost actually just fucking killed myself there. You counted to 10. And we're going to move that. And we're going to move that. And we're going to drag that over. Right there. You counted to 10. Maybe a little bit better of the enunciation, you know? Because I'm like, it's fucking fuck off. Fuck off. Thank you for listening. But damn. Okay, so. I kind of like the second one. It is a little bit slower, but like, eh, eh, eh. Do something like that, and oh, I don't want that anymore, man. God, I hate you. Fuck off. Oh my god. Thank you. Yeah, it's totally the first one. First one's the play. First one is the play. We're gonna export audio, export to computer, BubblePOP sounds. Congrats. 1. Okay. And now I'm gonna cut and do. Good job. Aye. Sure. Try again? I don't know if that sounded like questionable enough. Did that sound questionable? Sure. Nope. Wait, didn't we go through this yesterday? I actually do have to save all those. Fuck. God. Why do I do this to myself? Sounds. Nope. Nope. Documents. See? Nope. Where the fuck am I supposed to be going here? Nope. Wow, look at that. Yeah, so that'll work. That'll work just fine. Let's go back into Godot. Do. And where are we here? Reset menu. We want the main node. Where are we here? Game entry, quit, hide, show, hide. Where was that sound coming from again? That's playing the music there. Normal bubble, it's the popping sound. Number bubble emits all the other sounds for the counter. I mean, it works. On play button up. So let's give it a ready function. Ready. If wait, yeah, no, that should work. If game global script dot game end equals true. Then do right. That should be in a process, not a ready. So process like that. That's not supposed to be that. Hold on. I'm not even fucking showing you guys nothing, eh? There you go. Game end equals true. Play Right. Want audio stream player. Hmm. We want to rename this to congrats 1. Add another one. Call it congrats 2. Var congrats equals false. So if global script equals true, and then this sounds congrats 1. Hold on. Is it 1? Congrats 2. Try again. So this one streams this, and we will put it through the same as counting, I suppose. Yep. And then congrats 2. Now we have congrats 2 here. We can drag that over. And counting again. And we'll want a third one. Add a child node, another audio stream player. We're going to name this try again. And can you guess which one's going in it? Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay, so if game end equals true, we go oh, I didn't save it. Son of a bitch. I always do this. Thank you. Jeez. Delta, if global script end, we want congrats 1, play. Wait. Where did I use a wait before? How the fuck do you use that? Expected signal. Oh, does one write an await statement? Hold on. That's how we're gonna figure this one out. Godot 4.4 await. Wait. change from yield on get tree. Timeout. Okay, let's just look it up here then. Await. BD script reference. Class bar function. Wait, it's for a signal. The await keyword can be used to create keyword coroutines, which root. I don't even fuck say that shit. That looks like a made up ass word right there. That's a made up word. Which wait until a signal is emitted before counting execution. Using a wait keyword with a signal or a call to a function that is also immediately return the control to prompt user wait button up. Okay, so is there what's the signaled? Audio stream player finished. So requests are confirmed. Wait on congrats finish and play. Congrats to dot play. Oh, you think that fucking worked or what? I don't know. Hard to say. Let's count to 10. wonder. Oh, still doesn't want to work. Hmm. Why the fuck are you not working, eh?
One.
Hmm.
Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven.
Hey, sis. The Amazon package. Amazon? I. Damn it. I see. Too close to the edge.
Eight. Nine. Ten.
Man, why are you not playing? Congrats. And we're gonna fucking try again. Dot play. And we'll make sure it goes back to false. Fuck, I keep doing that, man. I'm terrible. That. What the fuck? I didn't know it would take this long to count to 10. I mean, perfect, because shit. It's a little bit of time for entertainment. Can't change state while flushing queries. What the fuck are you even doing? Like, I don't understand where this bug came from. It won't go away, though. Spawn bubble in bubble spawn. Remember bubble spawner. 21. Can't change the state while flushing query. Instant. Really don't see a problem with that. Hmm. Okay, but why is this not fucking playing my shit? Don't understand. Really don't understand. Scusi. Oh my god. Game. Making sure that doesn't talk. Okay, so we're gonna do this in the main scene node anyways. Cause yeah. Cut that. Go here. We're gonna paste it. Do the same thing right here. Gonna cut that. I'm gonna paste it. Copy pasta, copy pasta, copy pasta. There we go. We're good. Okay, nothing in reset menu is now going to deal with any of that. Literally didn't have anything in here. So now, when if label number equals 10, count max equals true, pause button, reset menu show. Count max true. Congrats, one. Play. Pause button, hide. Do. Play that. And then. Oh, fuck. Play, pause button, hide, show the reset menu. And let's do How would I do this? I could do like a timer. Like if global script dot play press does not equal true global, okay. If global script number equals 10 and play pressed equals false. Timer start. Yeah, I could do that. I could do that. We're gonna put that on a timer. Okay, and we're gonna call timeout. Yep, right there. Yep. We're gonna make it a 4-second timer. Yep. Do we want to auto start? Timer.start. One shot. No auto start though. Start immediately. Hold on. When it enters the scene tree. Yep. Start. So if that is true, timer's going to start. On timer timeout. We're going to say try again. Dot play. Right? That should in theory work. Right? I think so.
One. Two. Three. Four.
Oh my god. Expedite the process.
5.
Oh, damn it.
Six. Seven.
Whoop.
Eight.
Hmm. Come on now. Almost there.
9.
I just want to hear my beautiful voice say some congratulatory statements and ask a question.
Ten.
I can hear it. It's in there. On timer, time out. Try again. Dot play. Rats one. Try timer. Dot start. If table 10. Why? Well, fuck you. Function. See? The lines. If global script. If count max equals true. Play that. That. The fuck are you even talking about, bitch? Oh, yeah, I guess it's because that's right above it. Hey, hey. Sometimes you forget the most basic of things. Also, that's not how you spell global script.
Good
You
job.
Counted to 10.
Man. We're going to put in a wait on this. We'll see if that works. Connect. We're going to just pass. Oh, wait. On congrats, one finished. Oh, I don't want to go through that whole thing again. I need somebody else to do this brainless shit and just tell me what's wrong. And I'll fix it.
One.
My spidey senses are tingling, and I feel like my shit has arrived. Or it's like close, you know? Ever get that vibe?
Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven.
Damn it.
Eight.
Hmm.
Nine. Ten.
Nothing, hey? Hmm.
Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again.
Timer needs to be much longer. We'll say 8 seconds.
Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again.
Congrats, one finished. Start timer.
Try again.
Okay, even though I don't really like doing this, I'm gonna do it because it's really.
Try again.
Say the lines. Play.
Try again. Try again.
God damn it. All right, I need to start. Like the final. where, like, damn, I could post in this and done this today. Yeah. I don't know. Packages and it's pissing me off. I just really want to, like, hear my beautiful voice not all fucked up at the end of this.
Two. Three. Four. Five.
I just want to see it, I just want to see it. That's satisfying.
Six.
Oh.
Seven. Eight. Nine. Ten.
Oh, you know what's funny about that? Say the lines. Fuck you. Why?
You counted to 10. Good job. Try again.
Function, say the line.
Try again. Try again.
Do we make sure that it's just loaded? We try that again. As long as I don't hear it while it's just going, should be working, right? Like, not even calling the function I just made. Love it. Oh no!
1,
I don't even want to go.
2,
You know, at this point, it's points in the project like this where I really fucking hate this game. It's annoying. My own voice is annoying the shit out of me. I'm so sorry for anybody watching this.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
So it should already be loaded because it's in the ready function, right? So when I hit 10, it should call max
9,
count to say the lines. It should say the first line, and then on that line's finishing, it should start the timer and say the other line. And then say try again.
10,
Right? Mm-hmm. I need to fucking have a smoke. Yeah. Okay, but why though? Why though? Why though aren't you working though? Try again. Literally it. Just gonna fucking turn that off. Hmm. I just want this to fucking work. Once this works, it's done. Just I'm done with it. All right.
Ten.
I don't get what not fucking I don't want to work. Yeah? Well, that's just recursive.
You counted to 10. Good job.
Okay.
Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again.
One of these times I'm gonna get it right and it'll work.
One. Two. Three. Four.
Come on.
Five. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine.
Oh my God.
10.
Hmm. I don't even know, man. I don't get why it's doing that, though.
You counted to 10. Good job. Try again.
That doesn't work. I don't know what the fuck will. want my scammers on shit to show up. And I just want this to work. All right.
One. Nine.
Here we go. Let it work.
Ten.
Why aren't you fucking working, man? Label number equals game reset equals out of 15. Label number equals 10. Pop. Pop. Down. False. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. So say the line. If global script dot sounds and global script dot table number 10. I think that'll work. Oh shit, I'm supposed to be playing a game here. That I am not doing.
One. Two.
Come on, man.
Three. Four.
Hmm.
6. 7.
Oh, poor Bits. Nobody acknowledges you in the chat. Ugh.
8. 9.
Let this fucking work.
10.
You're supposed to fucking say the lines, man. I don't get why I'm fucking. You know what? I'm gonna just do it with another timer. Fuck it. Wait like a 1.5 seconds. There's a one-shot timer. And then right here. There you go. Congrats. One timer. Start. Yeah, I could see why that's having a little bit of a problem. We'll rename that to one-shotter. Disconnect. There we go. This doesn't fucking work, man.
One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9.
Easily.
10.
Hmm. I don't even know. Like, what the fuck, man? Addy. Love it when they change the fucking tracking time. Like last second. Oh, fucking great.
One. 2. 3. Four.
Killing me. I can't do this anymore. Fucked. Like, why? Between this and those stupid fucking buttons today. Why is this being so fucking stupid, man? I don't understand why. I'm having a hard time here. The fuck do you mean null instance? One shotter. Fucking losing it. I need a minute. I'm kind of fucking stoked. Guess what showed up? The fucking Amazon package. And look at what I got. Shaker cups. Got me some omega-3 fish oil, magnesium glycinate. I'm fucking creatine, buds. Was supposed to pick up some protein powder, but apparently somebody has some for me anyways. There was a few more vitamins that I had on my list of things that I should probably be consuming. Is it? Under his desk. This is it. Uses a gigantic driver to open the bag instead. Oh yeah, that's fucking sick. Oh yeah, it's got one of those. top quality shit right here. Oh, does it smell like fucking China factory though? Fuck it. Well, that's neat. It's like, I like that. Came with a gray one. Assuming that those are mills. Mills. Yeah. That makes sense. Yo, it's got a little hook thing. No space. That's actually pretty fun. I'm not even gonna lie, that's pretty cool. All right. All right. This one, I'm gonna quickly clean. I'll throw some of that shit in there. I'm intrigued. I am very intrigued. Never had it before, so see how it goes. All right, ladies and gents. That smells like fucking cherry and fart. That's fucking dangerous. It says I'm only allowed one of these a day. Dude, that's incredible. What flavor is it? Cherry limeade. That's pretty good. And you're gonna sit right there. Very nice. Make myself a sandwich or something. Maybe a little bit of a fucking lunch break or something. Actually, even better idea. I'm gonna stop the stream now. And then I'm gonna go cook food. I got bullshit with my dad for a bit. Go away. Go away, Dave. So yeah, I gotta go bullshit with my dad a little bit. Make myself some food. I'll hop back on. We'll just get right into playing Battlefield because I need to play some games, man. I've been doing this for days, and at this point, I'm stuck on a fucking voice clip that won't play, and I'm stuck on this stupid exit menu buttons not wanting to fucking listen to me. So yeah. Thanks for watching the stream. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. Follow me, subscribe to me on YouTube, go to Coffee, check out my coffee shit, go check out that Notion template, check me out on Itch. All those links should be in my description. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Yeah, see you next time.